Bird Crew. I've been gone for a while, but you know, we go big or go home around here. So today is the comeback video where we do things big. And when I mean big, I mean real big. Today's episode of Cooking with Bird, we're gonna be doing the world's largest cookie that I've ever seen. So stay tuned and enjoy the rest of the video. Out, man. Oh. You know it's Seabird, Good God, Kiki, and we back. You did what I'm saying. In this video, we're gonna be making the world's largest cookie that I've ever seen. So we'll go ahead and get started with our mixing. This the pan we're gonna be filling up right here. You heard me? Yeah. First thing first, we're gonna get the 4.5 cups of flour. So I'm gonna pour that in there, and then we're gonna get it busting. You think that's too much? Hold on, how much was that? I just need a half a cup.
How much was that?
I just need a half a cup now.
No, that was 3. So you need another cup and a half.
What?
Congratulations, you played yourself.
Imagine.
4.5. You already know what time it is. Come on out here. Bro, that's a lot of, bro, this is too much, bro.
Like, are we making a cookie or bread?
Like, that's a lot of flour, bro. But anyways, next step, 2 teaspoons of baking soda.
Baking soda. I got baking soda.
So, we're gonna get our teaspoon. Teaspoon.
That's the one that says
Teaspoon. Which one of these are you with? Teaspoon. It doesn't have just like teaspoon up here.
Bro, just put a spoon up there, bro.
That's all. Take a minute, bro. We ball. We ball.
Are you serious?
That's a teaspoon.
That's like 4 tablespoons. Yeah, bro.
Alright, 2 cups of butter. We can go ahead and melt all this up. Alright, you guys, so we got the last half cup of butter. We're gonna drop that in. The next thing we're gonna need is 1.5 cup of brown sugar. You feel me? Got that right here. You know what time it is. That brown sugar, that's my type right there, you heard me?
That's your type.
Yeah. Oh. 1 cup, you already know what time it is. Yeah. But this is a lot of stuff, bro.
Bro.
I really might not even eat it, bro. I really might end up giving it away. No cap.
Psych!
Alright, so next we need,
Imagine.
so now we're gonna need 1/2 cup of sugar. Snow Bunny, you know what time it is. 1/2 cup of sugar. Feel me? Drop that on in there. Now, we're gonna mix all this. Oh, no, I need 4 eggs. 1. 4. Yeah. Maybe knew what time it was. All right, so now we're gonna mix this up. Oh yeah, we need to add. Oh yeah, and one more thing before you mix it up, make sure you add your 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Oh.
Are you, bro?
I thought it was thick, but I didn't think it was gonna run.
Imagine.
I didn't think it was gonna run out like that, bro.
Wait, 1 teaspoon or 2?
1. This is a half.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry.
Yeah, it is. We're gonna mix this up. Then we're gonna come back to you guys when we're done mixing it, cause I think this is gonna take a while. No. Look at the flick of that wrist. Yeah.
You really just flicking hips though.
Look at.
I'm saying like you.
So look, it's about done. Really about to drop these, all the chocolate chips in there.
Oh yeah, we're not saving none.
No, we ain't saving none. So we're gonna dump this whole bag in there. You know what time it is. You been knew what time it was, dog. No cap. And then we're gonna dump it on that pan right there. Put it in there. It should take about 10 to 15 minutes for it to cook. Then we'll see how that thing tasting. No cap. So man, y'all already know what time it is. We done got it mixed up. You feel me? We're gonna dump it up here. We gotta preheat our oven to 350. You feel me? Take all this, dump it up there. I really don't know how. You know, get it up there, but
Good. What is a hefty boy? What?
no cap. Oh yeah, and if you out there and you ain't washed your hands, wash your nasty hands. Wash your nasty hands.
Watch that what?
Wash your nasty hands.
Hey Bird. Where you get that apron from?
I mean, y'all know what time it is, man.
You know what I mean?
Peep my drip, man.
Look at the drip though.
Y'all ain't know what time
Look
it
at
is.
this drip though.
You ain't know what time it is. Let it mash this out though, dog.
Make it square, make it fun.
Yeah, you know we're gonna make it fast. You already know what time it is. You been knew what time it was. There ain't no burger with bacon. Like
Right. So you really be in the kitchen?
Yeah.
How you be in the kitchen though?
Huh?
Huh?
You can see.
Now how you be in the kitchen though?
Oh, you already know what time it is. Hey.
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah.
You see? I ain't gotta say too much. You
Yeah.
See? You see what we in here baking up?
Hey, so when you say in your bio you a baker, what that mean?
I bake. I bake.
Oh.
You been knew what time it was. We're gonna wait for the oven to preheat. And then we're gonna drop that thing in there. No cap. You guys, so the oven just beat, you feel me? So we're gonna pop this in there, set our timer for about, I didn't think we could go for 17 minutes, but I think 17 minutes.
Yeah. I was gonna say 20, but no.
18.
Yeah.
18. Gonna pop it on in there. Ooh, and see it was hot. Lord, it's heavy too. No cap. Pop that thing on in there. Start that timer, you hear me? Oh, I cut it off. There we go. Now we're cooking. You feel me? So, we're gonna come back. Feel me? Might get a little 2K game in.
You can see.
The thing just finished up, man. Y'all already know what time it is. Come check this thing out, man. Oh, Lord.
Oh my goodness.
She's a beauty.
What?
She's a beauty.
Oh my goodness.
Good Lord, boy. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Off button. I'm so ready to put my hands on this cookie right here. You heard me?
You know what I'm saying?
Just to let you
yeah.
try hard know that it's done. Take a little fork.
Yeah.
Yeah, they know what time it is. They know what time it is.
What's on there?
They know nothing.
What's on there?
They know what time it is.
Bro, but what's on there?
Nothing. Nothing.
You know what I'm saying? Throw it away.
They been knew what time it was. We're gonna come out with this thing, cool off, and have my cameraman you know what I'm saying, test it out. And my sister and myself, you did what I'm saying. Follow my cameraman at, you feel me, Vibe with KB. Let them know who
All I
you
got
is.
to say is, you know what I'm saying, like this cookie, you know what I'm saying, we stay fresh. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Hey.
Vibe with KB, if you want to catch a vibe, you know what I'm saying, I'm trying to receive one. So you know what I'm saying?
Swipe up on my man,
Just
dog.
slip up, man.
Swipe up on my man, dog.
Simple.
All right, so we got my cameraman right here, you know what I'm saying? Vibe with K. Vibe. Oh.
Are you serious?
Matter of fact, you introduce yourself, bro. Let them know what you about to do, man.
Vibe with KB. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
All I gotta say is, you know what I'm saying, my link is in the description. You know what I'm saying?
So he gonna test this thing out.
Listen here, we've been slaving all day on this. Alright? Get the cookie real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and try it real quick. I'm gonna keep it G real.
Fire! Yeah!
Hey, Barry.
Hey,
Hey.
it's time to test the masterpiece
And there
out.
ain't no rap in my cap. Go ahead. No cap in my rap. Alright, go ahead.
Time to test the masterpiece out, man. They knew what time it was.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, take me with me. Take me with me.
It's on fire!
What's that?
It's on fire!
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Oh. That was my baby.
So we had a success, you dig what I'm saying? This cookie is
Hey, how you say it?
marvelous. You feel me?
Yeah.
You feel me?
I would say it's delicioso. Yeah.
Delicious also.
Yeah.
You feel me? This has been another episode of Cooking with Bird, you feel me? Comeback video. I feel like it's been a success, man.
Yeah.
Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? It's been a good day and y'all know what we say. Bird crew, we out this thing.